such a great evening right here in the city of Lagos as Plugtv is presently live here at Ebony Life Place for the movie premiere of The Bad Boys and The Bridesmaid. I know someone is beginning to think like, what's this movie all about, guys? I have no idea. Reason why we are here to ask the guests gracing this red carpet tonight, ask them a few questions. What are their expectations for this great movie tonight? And I'm super excited because your favorite is in this movie, Nengi, one of the ex-Big Brother housemates, and also we've got Elozonam in this movie. Guys, let's go hear what people have to say and what they are expecting. I mean, their expectations. Everyone is really looking forward to see what this movie is all about. But before we hit the cinemas, let's grace this wonderful carpet tonight. Keep it locked down on Plugtv, as you know already that it's your girl Annieberry ready to bring you the juice, too much sauce happening right here tonight. What's going on, guys? It's so good to be back on your screen again, and I'm super excited because I've got one of the cast of this great movie right here with me, Elozonam, and I'm thinking that Elozonam happens to be the bad boy in this movie. So what's up, Elozonam?
Well, we're all bad boys.
Okay, so tell me, what's up with this movie, Bad Boys with a bridesmaid? What's up?
It's a rom-com. I mean, you can already tell by the name. It's a wedding movie, you know. So yeah, it's a rom-com.
So what should we be expecting from this movie?
Lush, mush, and everything in between.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Bad Boys and The Bridesmaid, and with me here is one of the Nollywood finest, Mr. Ramsino. What's going on, boss?
I'm good. You don't have to tell me about you. You look good to yourself. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what's up? What meaning does this movie brings to you whenever you just hear Bad Boy and The Bridesmaid? What does it really mean?
I think the same thing that happens in most weddings, I guess. You know, bad boys, bridesmaids finding their life partner in the same wedding, bad boys finding their life partner in the bridesmaid, all those kind of things, and then stories, some of the stories that touches the heart and the ones that actually throw you off, things like that. But I don't know the twist of where this is going, so I'm going to find out when I watch it.
All right, so do you think a bride and a groom meeting themselves in a wedding, do you think can actually result to true love?
I mean, yeah, anything can result to true love. Anything can result to true love. You could meet your bride or your groom even in the junkyard and it can result to true love. You guys can meet in prison and it can result to true love. True love is, no, it doesn't.
Okay, guys, so with me here is Baba Ais, or let me say Dada Ais. Let me call him that.
How are you?
I'm all right. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Yeah, how you guys doing? How's everybody?
Okay, so tell me, Bad Boy with a Bridesmaid, what does that really mean to you?
A lot of things stand out when it comes to weddings in Nigeria.
Okay.
The food, the ashwabi, the bridesmaids, and the groomsmen. You understand? Some things mix, some things don't mix, but those two things, groomsmen and bridesmaids, they mix 100%. So half of the people in the movie are my friends. When they told me about it, I'm like, yeah, we're out here, so we're here to celebrate the movie. It's a great one. The producer himself, actually, is a tremendous guy. The cast, everybody's doing well. So yeah, we're here for the movie.
Okay, guys, you could tell that it's really a Bad Boy with the Bridesmaid, a movie premiere for real. As I don't know what to call him. Like really.
The bride. Okay, so it's just a twist, you know. I'm like, you know, everyone is probably going to be like suiting up today, like, oh, something to corporate. I'm like, you know what, that is really normal day. You get my point. So I'm like, you know, I'm just probably going to step out of my comfort zone, you know. I'm like, just a twist, you know. I'm like, you know, there's the element of the groom, there's the element of the bride.
And I think I like it because it makes you look different, like you stood out of the crowd. Okay, now, so tell me, what do you have to say about this movie, Bad Boys with the Bridesmaid? What does that really bring to your memory?
First thing is competition. First thing I'm looking forward to tonight is the plot twist, like emotional blackmail, you know, a twist in romance and stuff, you know. So I'm actually here for it. Like, I'm in for it, you get my point. And I'm actually looking out to see my favorite, the likes of Idia, Nengi, and Elozonam. You know, I'm actually rooting for them tonight. So I'm here.
Bad Boys and the Bridesmaid. Okay, what do you think we should be expecting from the title of the movie, Bad Boys and the Grooms and the Bridesmaid? What do you think you're expecting? What are your expectations?
Bad Boys. I'm expecting bad boys, sexiness, craziness. Yeah. Yeah, so a lot of all that fun, bad boys, know what bad boys do. So I'm expecting to see all that.
I mean, guys, it's becoming so really beautiful right here tonight as all of the men in this building tonight are putting on, the normal groomsmen wear. And of course, the lady, they actually do not disappoint us. So I'm super excited to have one of the cast with me, Mr. Ademola Adedoyin. What's going on?
I'm good, thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, so tell me, bad boy with the group, the bridesmaid. What's up?
As in, well, a bad boy is someone who doesn't play by the rules. He's not really Mr. Nice Guy. Does what he wants to do. I don't know, not necessarily.
So I think
There are some Casanovas that are good boys. You know that.
All right, so what should we be expecting in this movie?
Just a lot of fun. I think it's a fun movie. There's a lot to laugh at. There's a lot of jokes and everything. And then it's honest. It's honest. The kind of conversations the guys have with each other, the kind of conversations the girls are having, and the behavioral dynamics of the different characters in the film. It's very real.
Oh yes, it's becoming super interesting, even more than like I'd expect, because I've got one of the major cast of this movie right here with me. And Nengi does not come out without, she's not the Elozonam kind of girl. I mean, she's looking so beautiful tonight. Hi, Nengi.
You look good too. Hi. I'm good. How are you?
So tell me, how do you feel about this movie?
Oh my God, I feel so excited. Like I've been waiting to see this movie for months. I'm so happy. I'm happy. I can't wait for you guys to see it too, because I know you'd love it.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Bad Boys with the Bridesmaid, or at the Bridesmaid. And with me here is one of the Nollywood finest. I mean, I'm super excited What's going on?
I'm okay, how are you?
You really don't know how excited I am to meet you for the very first time. I've been looking forward to I'm actually a fan.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. What's going on, bro? How you doing?
I'm okay, I just came to support my people. The producer, the director, the stars, they're all people that I know and I love, so,
So
I had
tell
to
me,
be
what's
here.
up with this movie, Bad Boys with a Bridesmaid? What does that really bring to your memory?
So it's one of those group movies where the entire cast is filled with like amazing people. So you know that it's going to be interesting. The person who directed it, Shea Papatope and Yomi Black producing, and then the cast that they have, Jide, Kene, Nengi, Jimmy, Idia, all these people, it's guaranteed to be good. So I'm looking forward to it, and I know it's going to be good. I hope it's going to be fantastic. So.
Oh yes, it's such an exciting night, and you can tell that I had an amazing time right here on the red carpet of the movie premiere of The Bad Boys and The Bridesmaid. I know you guys are really expectant, and as you heard from all of my guests, you need to come watch this movie October 8th, 2021, as this will be available in all cinemas across Nigeria. Okay guys, I will be signing out from here, and it's such an amazing time with you all. And of course, Plugtv is going to plug you down on every event happening right here in the city of Lagos and Nigeria. I will be signing out from here as I want to go and carry my body and get busy for the week, because it's about to be a long week for me. Okay guys, see you some other time, as I will be saying a peace out. It's your girl, Annie Berry, right here on Plugtv. Stay tuned.